What's up guys, it's Matt from TDM Style here and welcome back to the channel, and today we are taking a look at some more bracelets from SkeletonHD. Now if you remember, I did an unboxing review for a couple bracelets from these guys several months ago. I'll put it up in the, is it this side? I'm looking at them. Yeah, it's this side. I'll put it up in the thing, the card up there, if you want to check that out. And they did recently send me some of their newer bracelets to check out, so we're gonna crack right into this bitch and see what we have here. Now, this is not a sponsored video, but they did send me these. They sent me their limited edition black box that has some bunch of goodies in it. So thank you to SkeletonHD for sending that. And if you guys remember in that previous video, they actually offered to sponsor it. And I said, like, I don't want to do that for reviews. And they instead just said, all right, well, that's cool. You do your thing. And instead we'll give some money to a charity of your choice. So still, I think that's like super fucking cool. So I was happy to do another video for them and check out some more of their bracelets. Now, these guys do make other things besides just bracelets. They've got some rings and necklaces and stuff, but their bracelets I really like, and obviously with a name like SkeletonHD or HD, I like saying it like an Englishman. There's skulls on stuff, which is a cool look. There's like skulls everywhere these days, but I don't know. I like it. I think it just adds something. It's not like just a bracelet. It's got these little skully boys on there. So getting inside this box here, let's take a look. All right, so with all their bracelets, they come with these little leather pouches to store them in once you get rid of the box, which I appreciate that. And inside this particular box here, so I've got 4 bracelets, got 2 black ones and 2 blue ones, and they aren't different, so I'm gonna, of course, have close-ups here for you to take a look at the differences. So as far as the packaging, I really like their presentation. I mean, I like the whole kind of black on black thing, but I just think it looks really nice. It's a nice box. It's a nice, you know, they got the leather pouches to store them in, so I think their presentation looks quite nice. Now, as far as these black gift boxes, they do have a few different offerings. They've got one that comes with 3 different bracelets for $150, and then they've got a few different ones like this one. This is the Infinity box, I believe it's called, and these retail at $199. Now, I know some of you might out the gate be like, hold it, that's a little pricey for like 4 bracelets, but give me a minute, we'll get to that. So as far as the materials, all the beads, or these particular beads rather, are made out of agate. Am I pronouncing that correctly? I hope so. Agate stone. So they're not like little shitty plastic beads. They're real stone and they do hold up. And to that matter, I have my previous 2 bracelets here, and now I've been wearing these literally like daily, not even kidding, daily since I got them, and you can see they're still in like brand new condition. The stones look great. These ones that have gold on them, these are real gold plating, so it hasn't, you know, gotten dirty or tarnished, or thankfully it hasn't fucking turned green like those fake gold things out there. You know, so at first glance they may seem a little bit expensive, but I believe that the quality of the materials and the lifespan that you'll get out of these makes up for that price, like just very easily. And I like the look of these Infinity ones. So we've got 2 matte black ones with different kind of skull metal bit configurations, and then we've got these 2 of the blue agate with the black skulls in it. And so you can of course mix and match. You can stack them together with different colors. You can stack them with a watch. And they just work. They work with everything. They work with casual attire. They work with suits. I mean, it doesn't matter. Like they're that kind of design that they can kind of just go with anything, and it really just gives you that extra little boost of accessory. Like that just look nice. And like the level of detail on the little skull boys and everything, like I don't know, they just think the quality speaks for itself. And you know, if you're in the market for some bracelets or rings or really any, you know, accessories just to go with your watches or whatever, yeah, I think they're worth checking out. So if you're interested in checking out SkeletonHD, I'll have links for you down below. Definitely worth a shot in my opinion. I really do quite enjoy these bracelets. And yeah, I'm gonna keep on fucking wearing them, man. So that does it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this and found it helpful. Please do stay tuned. I have so much stuff coming up for you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button down below to keep up to date with everything. And as always, thank you guys so much for coming by and watching. And we'll see you at the next one.